Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Learn Chinese with Taranum, where we explore new and exciting Chinese lessons. Today we have another fun and easy lesson for you. Before starting, I would like to ask a question. Have you ever said thank you to someone today? I just thanked to my mom because she cooked a delicious meal. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comment section. I am asking this because in every culture, saying thank you is an important way to show kindness and appreciation. Today, we will learn how to say thank you with xièxiè and respond with búxiè. We will focus on these two phrases. The first phrase we are going to discuss is 谢谢. The phrase 谢谢 means thank you in Chinese. It is the most commonly used phrase to express gratitude. Pronunciation. The first che is in four tone. The second che is in neutral tone. So pronounce like that. 谢谢,谢谢. How to use this phrase in your daily life? I am giving you a simple example. Your mother does a lot for you and your family. So you can show your gratitude to her just like you see on the screen. You can say 谢谢 mama. Thank you mom. You can show your gratitude towards your teacher by saying this. 谢谢老师. Thank you, teacher. The second phrase we are going to discuss is 不谢. Literally means no need to thank. No problem at all. Not at all. Don't mention it. It's a casual and polite way to respond to 谢谢 in daily conversations. It is commonly used when the favor or help is small and the speaker wants to show modesty, like holding a door or giving directions. Example: 谢谢你帮助我. Thank you for helping me. Reply with 不谢. Don't mention it. No problem at all. Not at all. So, in today's lesson, we learned how to express gratitude in Chinese using 谢谢 and how to respond politely with 不谢. Saying thank you is a small but powerful way to show appreciation, and knowing how to reply correctly makes your Chinese sounds more natural. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Learn Chinese with Taranum for more easy and fun Chinese lessons. Till then, goodbye. 再见.